Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Wanted to do a little update here, show you guys what I eat quite frequently, so that way you can see what else I eat besides the chicken salads and the omelets and other stuff, you know, that I do eat and make. So as you can tell, I've got, well, there's fresh fruit, which is pineapple and grapes. Grapes are on the bottom. I got my hamburger patties, lettuce, and 2 tomatoes. And I've got my iced tea. And it's non-sweet. So, but it's definitely cooked pretty good. You know, breaks easy. But I'll save my fruit to eat for tonight, for a late night snack or whatever, for if I get hungry. But yeah, just a short video today. I hope y'all enjoy watching it. I do appreciate y'all, and thank you for all the kind words and for following me.